go around the corner right there. Okay. How do I look? I gotta look good.
Good to go.
Go ahead.
All right, say your name for me.
Timothy Nelson.
Spell it for me, Timothy.
Tim, TIMOTHYNELSON.
And where do you live, Timothy?
115060 Reddington Drive.
Why'd you decide to come out and hear the sheriff talk about all of the looting and scammers?
Well, I've been watching this, and I've been having to stay out overnight because we have people working out on the building, and I've been watching all these people traveling up and down through here in the middle of the night. And the sheriff's been doing a very good job. They drive by the roads with lights on both sides and this and that. But then I see groups of people come by, 4 or 5 people going through the trash. And then I go watch them, and they come down through and just start picking through the trash with backpacks on. And then another group of people come by, and then my next door neighbor across the street says, "Hey, don't go through my trash." So then they come, and I'm in my front porch, and I look through my door because the house has no AC, and there they come up on our property, all the way up by the front door, going through our trash pile out there. And then I come out, and I see one of them. I have a Mini Cooper. BMW, Mini Cooper, that's got flood damage, and they're in there with pickers, with these claws, picking the clothes and stuff that's in my Mini Cooper, picking out through the damage of the car. And I ran them off. I said, "What are you doing?" And they go, "Oh, no habla," and they just gradually just walk away like nothing's happening to the next trash pile. It is ridiculous what's happening. But the police are trying to do everything they can. You know, I give them great pleasure to meet them, and I'm happy that they're here. But I think it's not just this isolated, because this is just on this first street. And I noticed that all these other streets have the same thing, people walking up and down them. You know, middle of the night. We had a edge trimmer, and this and that was still valuable, laying up on our driveway by the front door. They came up on the front door and took 2 brand new edge trimmers, weed whackers and stuff, and a lawnmower out of the right of way onto our property. No care whatsoever.
Do you know if the people that came to your house were arrested?
No, I don't.
Did you
No,
even get a good enough look at
No,
them?
I know they were Latinos. I'm not going to say I know that because they couldn't speak English. They were Latin people. That's all I know. I don't know if we didn't call. My neighbor said, "Oh, I called the other day." The sheriff said, "When we see him, call him," but it was kind of late. It's right when you see him, and then when you confront him, it's like you come back out and then disappear. You know, so.
The sheriff mentioned, people have their personal belongings on the side of the street right now. They're going through the unthinkable right now.
Unthinkable.
How annoying is it to you? Frustrating that you then have
family
to
albums, family emblem, all sorts of things that you never thought you'd be departing from. Because you got to understand, some of the houses that we have, they get cleaned out by site contractors. They don't care. They just throw it all out because they're only taking 4 feet down from the drywall. Everything, the cabinets on 4 feet down, go. If you don't get in there soon enough, pull away family albums and all this stuff, if you go through these tracks, you'll see pictures of kids, this and that, jewelry, all sorts of stuff. Our stuff, grandma's china set is gone. Not because we weren't there, because we contracted somebody and they got torn out. So it's gone.
And then on top of that, you have people coming and taking other
Taking
things.
all that. Where wedding rings were and all that stuff and bands and stuff like that. That's gone. We thought we could get to it and we thought we could get it back, but that's gone. That's gone. All the jewelry boxes and stuff like that, gone. They're taking small stuff. They're not coming with big trucks. They're coming with backpacks, going through whatever little values they can get. Then you see some guys with, I'll tell you what, if you go down through there, all the refrigerators, any metal and stuff like that goes first. All the scrap metal guys come in first. They're scrapping everything. If you go down there, you don't see any scrap metal. You don't see refrigerators, microwaves, all that kind of stuff. It's usually gone because the scrappers come in from over there and take all the scrap. And it's helping out in a way, but now it's just trash, garbage stuff. Our valuables is going now,
What does it mean to you that your story's getting out there? The sheriff is saying everything. You know, they're arresting people.
No, I've seen that. I've seen the last few days. The sheriff, I mean, they just line people up, taking, I don't know what the charges they are, but they just line people up. The people right now, right behind you, you know, going right here, right in this van, right now, going right now, going in this van, going. There's no. They are going. Don't come out here to the beaches. Don't come to Gulf Boulevard if you think you're going to commit a crime. That's my word to them.
Yeah, you think, Rob?
Oh no.